Yo, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video on the four-wheeler. I think it rained last night or something because it's really wet outside. I could be wrong. It could have just missed it, but I'm pretty sure it rained. So I might go right in the woods and see if there's any water or anything. Hope there is, man. We ain't had something so long. It's kind of cold today too. It's like 60. Yes, that's cold because normally it's not under like 70 or like 75. And I forgot what cold weather feels like, to be honest with you. Low-key ready for the creek to get deep and wear some waders again, man. I miss water riding so much. I think I might do $5 YouTube shoutouts again tonight. I don't know, on the community post and probably on the gaming channel on the stream on Cash App. I'll let y'all know if I do. Well, y'all comment below how y'all's Halloween went. Happy Halloween, all y'all. Even though I think it's actually Monday, but still, most people went trick-or-treating tonight or last night or the night before. Yeah, it must not rain much, if it did at all. I think I might just start going to Statesboro Power Sports more and making more videos there, man, because they got a lot of stuff. And I just always enjoy going up there. I'm just ready for Thanksgiving break. Dang. My dad must have had a tractor back here. That's why it looks like this. The mud ain't even bad though. Oh, I'm low on gas. I gotta go to the house real quick. Dang it, man. What was that? Hope that was a stick. Put some gas in here and then I'm gonna ride to another spot in the creek that I don't think I rode at in the video yet, so because y'all always talk about it's full of creek, so that's what I did the other day just to see if I could find some spots for a video. It's still got no water in it though. This is where we what's it called, duck hunt out. This is our like duck hole in the winter time. But the creek's gotta have a good bit of water in there for there to be ducks in there. But only since it's such a small body of water and it's just a little creek, we never see anything other than wood ducks in there. That's the only time. We killed a good bit of them in there last year. Just about the limit every time we went. Sometimes we didn't see none. Last day of the season when it was so cold, there was ice over the top of our water and we didn't even see none. Which really sucked. Like not a lot of ice, just a thin layer in the shallow spots. I really hope we got gas at the house soon. If not, I might be going to that spot on that land spoiler. Alright, y'all. They had some gas, enough to fill the whole thing up. Because it only takes like 2.5 gallons, which is a little under half a tank on my four-wheeler. I meant not on my four-wheeler. 2.5 is a full tank on my four-wheeler. It's half a gas tank, like one of those on VP racing ones. Because those are the only ones we got. We got like 3 of them. We have 4, but one of them bust. Like, it didn't bust, like, it just wore out, and then it started leaking gas out the side, so it's broken. We're probably gonna get some more eventually. I mean, they're expensive enough to fill up as it is, though, so 3's fine, really. It's like high-key aggravating getting back here, if I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Because all these trees, we need to trim this. This is the one path we ain't really trim much. I don't really think my dad wants to trim it too much because in duck season we don't even drive down here, we just walk. So we don't scare off the ducks if they're there before us. So it don't really matter that much. But still, it would be kind of less annoying. But it don't really matter because it ain't like we gotta come back here and prep for duck season. The only thing we gotta do is hope it rains enough for the creek to be high and there'll be ducks back here. Because it ain't like you can bait ducks legally. At least in Georgia you can. As you can see, that's where the creek was, where it's like really dry right here. That's like, and where it's lower. This is where the creek usually is. See, there's a tree down there. Everybody always talks about riding the creek. There's like a little blockage right there too, dude. It's like impossible. I've only been here once when there was water, and I came in right here, and I was on stocks, and it was like in May. When I was in 7th grade, because I didn't have a snorkel, I was just on stocks. I didn't record this. Allie Ann was with me on her fold. No, she didn't even have a fold with it yet. She was on here with me, but she was washing over there. I drove right over here. It was shallow, and I got like right here, and I got in this deep spot. And since it was deep, it would have been like racks deep. The four-wheeler just started floating right here because it was deeper. So it started floating on the stocks. I jumped up on the side. I put it in reverse, I back up to that, get the back tires on that, but those roots keep making it spin and it wouldn't come up. So had to get myself in the water and push from the front while Allie had the gas, and finally it came out, dude. I was so scared. When there's water in here, if we ever ride back here when there's water in here, dude, getting that right there is gonna be kind of sketchy. And then if we want to turn around, say we're riding here when there's water in here, I could just back up like right over here, or just pull up on the grass right there and then back down and go in. You just got to be careful because how it's rutted. or you can just ride on the top right here where it'll probably be shallow, but it's always real deep right there. This video will probably be posted today, and the hunting video I'll post tomorrow probably, so y'all be ready for that. Hopefully I see something and I can make a longer video today than last time. So yeah, peace. I'll see you on the next.